My name is Franz Harrer. I'm Director of Steel Yankees and Technology TCU. Together with my team, I'm responsible to develop and improve our product portfolio. Today I'm at our customer Zellstoff Pölz to check the world's biggest Yankee. With its unique logistic and manufacturing concept, Andritz is the worldwide only supplier for such a big Yankee. So let's go to the machine and check the Yankee. Zellstoff Pölz produces packaging papers for a broad range of applications. In 2013, the first Andritz machine was started up with, at that time, the world's largest Yankee with a diameter of more than 6.7 meters. In 2019 we broke the record again. The new BM3 features a steel Yankee with a diameter of more than 7 meters and a shell length of more than 6 meters. It's a real giant. Let's go and do some performance checks. The measurement was very successful, the Yankee performs really great, and now let's go back to the office. Apart from Steel Yankees, my main tasks are to lead our technology group and product management group for TCU. I started as a design engineer in Andritz and was involved in various machine rebuilds. A highlight of those visits was to see the TCU machine fleet of the Hengan Group in China. 13 machines from Andritz and the majority of them with Steel Yankees. In China we also have our Steel Yankee Business Center, where we offer state-of-the-art Steel Yankee manufacturing, local field service and quality management. Today I have a meeting with my colleagues Ricardo, Product Manager for Prime Dry Steel Yankees, and Yasser from the Quality Department to discuss the results of the performance test from Pölz.
My name is Riccardo Pierini and I'm the Product and Customer Care Manager for Andritz Prime Dry Steel Yankees. I have many years of experience in Yankee business and I'm responsible for the product development for our Yankee and for technical requests.
We have various cooperations with research institutes to push our R&D activities. We are now at the Technical University in Graz to discuss the latest results of a fundamental research project. The aim of this joint project is the improvement of paper properties using different TCU machine configurations with Steel Yankees. Together with the university, we plan to develop new testing methods for TCU properties. In Malaysia time, I'm a voluntary firefighter in my hometown close to Graz. I've been part of the fire brigade for more than 20 years. It's a kind of family tradition because my grandfather and my brother are also at the fire brigade. We have regular trainings and exercises to prepare ourselves for emergency situations. We are called whenever an accident, a fire, flood or damages by storms are caused.